Creating product-oriented content. After you choose your niche, select some hot products to promote, create your Amazon affiliate website, and sign up for the Amazon Associates program to create your Amazon Associates account, the time comes to start doing the hardest part, the one that will determine if you make it or if you break it as an Amazon affiliate. We are, of course, talking about the part where you finally start creating content for your Amazon affiliate website, because content is what will attract buyers to your Amazon affiliate websites. But why do we say that this is the hardest part? We say so because creating content for affiliate sites is not easy for the most part, and that is exactly where most affiliate marketers fail. And because of that, we are going to show you how to create amazing content for your Amazon affiliate sites the easy way. After all, creating awesome product-oriented content for your affiliate sites comes down to following a series of easy-to-apply strategies. So let us grab you by the hand and guide you all the way through. Building product-oriented pages. Product-oriented pages are used in affiliate marketing sites to promote Amazon affiliate offers. And the goal of these pages is to drive traffic to any given product page on Amazon and foster sales. So in short, these pages are designed to generate affiliate income on Amazon affiliate websites. Let's check what a nice-looking product-oriented money page looks like. The first thing that you will notice is that a product-oriented page is full of product-oriented content, including profitable keywords, product images that link to affiliate offers, and long, evergreen product-oriented written content. We recommend you look at successful Amazon affiliate sites that promote stuff related to your niche for inspiration. In our case, we're looking at thewirecutter.com, an Amazon affiliate site that gets over 8 million unique visitors each month and that generates affiliate income in the millions. The strategies that we are about to reveal next are being used by the most successful and most profitable Amazon affiliate sites around, so pay good attention and start applying them as well. Use profitable keywords. Profitable keywords are keywords that drive purchasing intent and that are used by people to search for information about products on any given niche when they are ready to make a purchase. Note that these keywords are not merely used to find product information. They are used for research by people that like to make informed purchases. See how profitable keywords are used in this affiliate site, as they are not targeting gaming headphone, but best gaming headphone, which is a long tail keyword used by people looking into buying the best gaming headphone available. So what are they doing here? They are using these long tail keywords so people looking for the best headphone or the best air conditioner land on these pages. See how they combine best with cheap to target people looking for the best equipment on a budget. To give you an example with our niche, we are not going to target best home theater systems, but best 7.1 receivers. To make sure that a keyword is profitable, go to the Amazon homepage and type it into the search bar. If it's highlighted in the results, then it is indeed profitable. Profitable keywords should also include brand names in some circumstances, and they have to be used on the title of your product-oriented pages, throughout your content, and on your tags. Product images. Product images will always drive engagement, period. And you have to use a wide variety of them in your product-oriented pages in order to motivate people into buying the products that you're promoting. Product images work because people mostly make purchasing decisions based on how attractive the products look on product pages. It is very important that the images that you feature on your product-oriented pages link to their respective Amazon product pages. Product images are best used at the top of your content. Quality written content. Of course, your product pages would be nothing without cool and informative written content geared toward telling your visitors what your products are all about and why they should make a purchasing decision right when they finish reading, perhaps before. In order to achieve this, you have to go beyond reviewing the product or stating your opinion on the product. You have to answer the question that your visitors were trying to answer when they landed on your product page in the first place. Start by describing what the product is, what its benefits are, and why people should buy it. For example, if you target the best keyword for your product, explain why it is the best, and so on. Ideally, you should have tried the product that you are writing about, but we know that this is not only difficult but quite expensive. So a good starting point is to simply go on the product page on Amazon, Once there, check the title and the product description to get information about the product. Also check the sponsored products related to this item, and the customers who bought this item also bought horizontal lists, so you can casually stack the product that you are writing about against similar products. It can be useful to insert affiliate products for other items and increase revenue. Lastly, check the customer reviews. Check the most relevant reviews on each sale, from 5 stars to 1 star, to see what customers think about it, so you can use this information on a pros and cons section for your product page. As a final piece of advice, try to make your written content from 2,000 to 2,500 words long in order to make it relevant on search engine results. Follow these simple strategies and you will be swimming in affiliate money sooner than you might expect.